Let's talk about something that confuses a lot of new web developers: file management. Sounds like an odd concept, so try and follow me. Let's go back to the picture, right-click it, go to Image and Link Properties. If you'll notice, they've both been merged now. Don't worry about it. So now let's go up here to the picture's name. A common misconception is that when you put a picture into a website, you're actually adding the picture to the website. It becomes part of it. However, this is not the case. Really what you're doing is you're telling the website a location to go and look for the picture. If you'll notice, this little checkbox right here, URL is relative to page location. What this means is that if the location of the website changes, it assumes that the location of the picture has changed as well. Basically, this means they're in the same directory or in related directories. Now, if we uncheck this, you notice that the nice simple file name here now includes the entire data path to get to that picture. So it's in the desktop folder of user Chris on my C hard drive. Now, if we leave the picture in the same location, this is perfectly fine. If you watch, hit OK, hit Save, hit Browse, the picture shows up just as usual. However, if we move the picture, say we go to Desktop, and let's say we want to put the website into its own folder. So we go to New, Folder, let's just call it Me, or how about Me Website, a bit more descriptive. And we take the picture and put it in Me Website. However, let's say we forget to put the website itself in the folder. You'll notice, go back to Kompozer, Image and Link Properties. Though the picture has moved, its address is still the same. So, as you can see, when you try and open the website can't find the picture. So it gives us a broken link icon. Now, there's a couple different ways we can fix this and keep similar problems from happening in the future. Probably for small websites, the easiest solution is just to keep all the links relative and keep everything in the same folder. What this means is everything pretty much knows where everything else is. And it's also fairly easy to do. You simply go to Kompozer, right-click on the photo, Image and Link Properties, make the URL relative again, OK, save. Now if we click Browse, the picture still won't be able to be found because if you remember, the website and the picture are in different folders. So let's fix that. Back to the desktop, go to Me, drag Me to Website. Now let's go back to the photo. And as you can see, it's giving us a warning because we moved the photo or the files outside of Kompozer. Click Accept Changes. Now if you notice, it's saying, okay, we can't find the files anymore. What's going on? Click OK. So instead, we'll discard the changes. Now, probably the easiest way to do things is go to Open File, go to the new folder, Me Website right here, and reopen the HTML page. Now let's go ahead and get rid of this one. Oops. Yeah, that was it. So, as we can see, the website is working again. Check the image, make sure the URL is relative. It is. That's good. So, OK. Save. Go to Browse. And it works. For larger websites, it gets a little unwieldy to keep everything in one folder. Let's say you have a 10-page website, each page has 4 or 5 pictures on it. All of a sudden, that folder gets very, very cluttered, hard to keep track of things. Now, for, say, smallish to medium-sized websites, a good solution is to create subfolders. Probably the easiest way of doing this is to first create a subfolder. Go to the directory where the website is, me website, and let's create a subfolder. And let's say in there we're going to contain all the pictures of the website. So let's call it photos. So Spanish steps, picture, so let's put it in there. Okay. Go to Kompozer, right click, image properties. Now, if we leave URL is relative page location checked, we can actually note that it is in a subfolder. All we have to do is go to the folder name, add the name of the directory where we put it. So we call the folder photos, add folders, slash, and then the picture's name. Hit OK, save, and browse. And it works. It knows exactly where to find it. Now, for larger websites, you wouldn't want to just lump all your photos and all your HTML files into separate folders. Generally, a better idea is to group things by the page they're going to be displayed on. So, just kind of as a quick example, rather than having me and photos, you would say have a folder for home. So, folder home. And in that folder, you would have all the web pages that are, all the files that are associated with the home page. So let's say we want me to be home. Click and drag me and photos into home. And there you go. Everything is nice and neatly contained.